Well, welcome to part two of creating faculty pages with My Big Campus Groups. This is creating the group in My Big Campus, which will become your future faculty page. That is, those of you who are choosing to do that route, which is probably why you're watching this particular video at this time. So, My Big Campus is a very cool learning platform, and one of the neat things about it is we have the ability to have some freedom on how we set up our groups, because some of the things that we do in our groups can be done just with our students, and other things can communicate with the whole World Wide Web. And for today's purposes, we are creating a group for our faculty page, which means we want people outside of My Big Campus to be able to view the contents of your page. And so we are going to create a public group at this time in which parts of it will be private and parts of it will be public, so that we can have a form in which we can communicate with our parents through the web page. And so what you're going to do is you're going to click on Groups on the left-hand panel, and then you're going to click on Add New Group. Now, before I click on that, any group that you are a part of will show up right here. I'm a member of many groups at this point, and that's why it continues to populate down there. But you may have one or none or two that are showing up on yours right now because somebody else has added you to their group already. More than likely it's probably me, if you have anybody up there at all. But you're going to click on Add New Group at this time. Once you do, it's going to take you to the Add New Group page. Here's where you will fill in the information required. For the sake of this training, I'm going to call my page Mr. Dials Faculty Page. Now, what I would do for you is I would state your name in a possessive format, and then go ahead and put the name of your class, or if you teach multiple classes, you can just say home page or something like that. So it might say Mr. Dials home page or Mrs. Smith's home page or whatever it is, but that just gives you an idea of what you can call this page whenever people click on your faculty link. This is where it will take them. Give a brief description about your group, and whatever you want to put there, feel free to. The next step is not a mandatory step. I'm not real sure if group description is anymore. They have changed some things around here. But on the group photo, if you would like to add something that will show up on your group page, you can use this feature here. And I'm going to go ahead and use it. And I'm going to put this ugly mug shot of me, and I'm going to attach it. You'll see it right there. And then I click Save. Once I click Save, it builds the page for me. It builds the group, and the group has now been created as soon as we wait a little longer, which is typical whenever I'm working on a video. It takes a little longer than normal. And so now you see the home page of my group, and it's this link right here. Once it's been created, you can copy this link and then email that link, paste it in an email, and send it to jmotes@pisd.net, and he will be happy to put the link to this page on the faculty web page. So that way, when people go to the whatever campus you're a part of, click on the faculty section, find your name, and see web page next to it, they will click on that, and it takes them right to this page right here. Now, there are some other things that we need to set up in order to make this public and to set it up in a way that will be meaningful for you. And that will take place in part 3. Thanks for watching.